So Alhamdulillah. I thank Almighty Allah for giving us the opportunity to gather here today for this holy month, in this holy month, for our first Ramadan lecture and the launching of our branch in Abuja, Al-Hafeez prayer group. Alhamdulillah, it was a success. I'm so delighted. At least people came through to support us for the first time in Abuja. It's not about the population, but it's about the successful and the love, the care people show to us in Abuja. Precisely, my appreciation goes to my good friends and family, those who came through all the way from Lagos, those who came by road for the love of the Prophet, for the love of Islam, those who came through the flight. I appreciate it's not an easy journey. They spent money, they spent their energy, and at the end of the day, it was a success. Alhamdulillah. I appreciate everyone, precisely the lecturer of today, Sheikh Ibrahim Mustafa. The lecture was eloquently delivered. We learned, and at least we learned a lot about Islam, and also about marriage and the cause of divorce in Islam. So may Almighty Allah protect us and bless our homes. For those who are married, may Allah bless your home. May you never part way with your partner. And for those who are looking for husband or wife, I pray to Almighty Allah to grant you your soulmates, the half of you, your own bone, your own friend, your own perfect match, inshallah. Imam Al-Hafeez is saying a very big thank you to all of you. I have nothing to pay back. I would rather say Jazakumullahu khairan. To those who supported us financially, I appreciate you. Those who sent precisely Al-Haji Yakub, I appreciate you for the huge amount of money you sent to our accounts. We appreciate you. It's not about your presence, but the love and the efforts you rendered to us during the process. Also, Muhammad Kosi Mullah, Mr. Ali Redwan, Haji Sharafaddin Dangote, our host for this for the first Ramadan lecture in Abuja. To all the people as well, I appreciate you. Ashik Al-Mubarak, my friend who came through for me. I did not invite him, but he showed me pure love. That you can't be doing something in Abuja, and which I have the chance and I have the financially, I can just come around for. Let me just come around for you to support you. I won't take this for granted. You really tried, and I appreciate you. I appreciate all of you. Jazakumullahu khairan. Abuja, we are here today. We launch our new branch here, and may Allah make it a greater one in the future, inshallah. All the Zakirun wa Zakirat, alhamdulillah, I thank you all of you. May Allah bless every one of us, and may Allah protect us back to our various houses. Jazakumullahu khairan.